Hey everyone, today we are working on multiplying by nines. If you know the finger trick, I'm going to tell you right now, please ban the finger trick. It's a trick and it really makes students rely on tricks rather than understanding and processing actually what multiplication is about. And it also ruins the flexibility between numbers. So try really hard if your kid is in the habit of doing the finger trick, or if you know the finger trick and you've taught it to them. The finger trick is going to be banned in Miss O's classroom. I'm going to teach you a really easy way though to figure out your nines, and all you have to do is take the number and multiply it by 10, which is very easy because you're adding that zero, and then you take away a group. So instead of doing that little finger trick that Miss O doesn't like, we're going to go up to the board here, and I'm going to say like 9 groups of 7. So I'm going to first do 9 groups of 10, or sorry, 7, 10 groups of 7, my bad. 10 groups of 7 is 70, and then I'm just taking away one group because I only want 9 groups. I don't want 10 groups, I want 9 groups. So I'm just taking away 7 to get 63. Now, the one thing I do tell kids, not that it's a trick, but I do let them know that you can't have a number over 70, like when you're multiplying by 7, your number can't be higher than 70 because you don't want 10 groups, you need something less. So you kind of have to think you're actually going to be in the tens group, like less than 70. So you might even start to realize that for each time you multiply by 9, if you're multiplying 9 times 4, you're going to be in the 30s. If you're multiplying 9 times 8, you're going to be in the 70s. But with that understanding that you can't go over 10 times the number. The other really neat thing is a good self-checker is if you take the first digit and the second digit and add them together, they will always equal 9. Now, I don't want that to be a trick. I want them to get the answer and then self-check is, oh, do my digits equal 9? Yes, okay. No, they don't equal 9. Ooh, you might have done something wrong there. Maybe you subtracted the wrong number or something like that. So kids end up kind of being able to be flexible again with those numbers by multiplying by 10, taking away a group, self-checking, and then kind of continuing on. So that's what we're doing today, multiplying by 9s. And once you kind of start to see the pattern and the strategy, working on your strategies, you'll start to see some patterns kind of emerge. And then 9s ends up being one of the easier ones for the kids. So we're going to work on that today. And tomorrow we're moving on to 7s. And then we're just going to keep practicing for the next week or so until we've got them bang, bang, bang. Check you later.